Llantas right here, these meats, new meats. Koima, pretty much. So we're gonna take off these bald ass ones. Let's see how bald they are.
We're about to go to
put some new ones. I didn't take out masa.
Where's the mascara, homie?
Oh, in the back right here.
Show your little jingle
bell.
bell.
Look, the jingle bells got la miss. I dropped one, my custom one. That's gone, man.
Let me add some more real quick. I'm gonna put that right there real quick. Let me get this right here. Let me dip that right here. That's what you gotta do, look. Fuck it. You ever did it? And you gotta add some salt, hold up.
Fuck you, do it. Not too much, man.
There. Trust me,
You should have done it like that one food, the salt food. When you smash the salt and you like. We're on the freeway now. We're going back home. We got some food. We got a little clip.
yeah, we ate some food.
We didn't show the restaurant, but it wasn't that same restaurant where we're at.
It was a rice. No fucking rice.
No rice. We got faded off that Rona.
Good Ronas though. Really good Ronas.
Right here, Firestone. You turned it up? Let me turn this one on. I don't think this one's on. I don't think the fucking
Cemetery.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have a picture of it on my phone about the same one.
Ass.
They always be with
about to slap on it.
Show how white the tires are.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show the sides of them. So you can get
As before. Yeah, look how wasted they are too. They're all wasted. Yeah. So this is inside c300 suspension. He's gonna get some tires on there. More tires. I'm trying to lower it, he's gonna just fill in that gap. Some good ass tires, somebody. Oh yeah, way better. Check it out, it's good. Yeah. You gotta let it sit, let it drop.
Now you gotta go drive in the street.
We got the 255s, 40, 18, Continental Sport, Conti Sports. They filled out really nicely. Look at that fitment. It's pretty slick. See the back of it. Let's see if it's wider. Just a bit. Just a little bit. Not too crazy.